Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Hope you're having a great day today. I was sent another polish by Laguna Moon. Again, you can use my code NAILS10 to save 17%. Look at this. Oh, I know somebody who loved this color that I had in a mini bottle before. You always start off prepping your nails, which mine are prepped. And I'm just gonna paint this gorgeous, gorgeous silvery blue on my nails. Oh, so gorgeous. Oops. On the skin, wipe it off. With my fat sidewalls, I tend to get it on there way more than I planned on. I may have to start using clips or cuticle guard. I hope not. I can't seem to get any clips that come in that I really like. They're all either too hard or way too fat for the purpose. This is not dead gorgeous color all by itself. I'm going to try to do some kind of winter nails. I didn't like what I did last video. I just really didn't like it. Now if you have them running into your cuticles, you can flash cure it in the lamp. This one's not doing that for me today. I really like this one. I like them all. I'm totally gaga over this. Just takes a little work to figure out how to put it on. But this one, these really don't need artwork on top, but I'm gonna try to do some. 2 coats would cover up any of your overages on your nails. I'm gonna give these a 5-second cure just so that I can put my thumb in at the same time. Since it's not a cream, usually this works. It gives enough light that it will hold it in its place and I can put my thumb in at the same time. See, my sidewalls are so fat. It's hilarious. It's just the way some people are made. Can hold them down like I did there, but see, I didn't hold this side, so I got it on that side. And I don't get too close to my cuticle just because I change them out so often sometimes. And the ones with the silver in them do tend to leave a little on you. But once you cure it, as long as there's no gel on there, you can just wash your hands in the sink when you get done and you're fine. I like it as 1 coat. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, that's 1 coat cured for 30 seconds. And remember, gels are tacky after you cure them, just because the nature of gels. But that helps us to do some artwork with them. I'm thinking to stamp a little bit of snow on here. I don't want to blind you. Beauty Big Bang plate, number 31. I'm just gonna have it off to the side so I don't blind anybody. I have some gel polish stamping polish I just got in given to me by Yayoge. So I'm gonna give this a test. Stir it up because it's brand new and ooh, look at this. It's like a little bit of a cream white. I like that. Have that open. I've got a scraper, which is just a gift card. That's my preferred. Got my stamper out, and I'm just gonna play around with this. You know what? I have this on the wrong side of me. Here we go. Have it on a nice hard surface. I touched it before I cleaned my hands with alcohol, so there's some yucks on it. So just get all my supplies together. Give me some elbow room. I'm gonna do a little snow. This is about the only snow I see for the year is on people's nails. And some people holler at me because I don't clean my plates, but if they're deeply etched and your polish is thin enough, you can definitely do it. Let me do this as a background on all of these. I like it a lot. I'm just taking it off with this. Probably should have put a tree on here too. And see if it doesn't cover all your nail, you can add more, especially just a like loose pattern like this. It's not like really defined, and it's on such a crazy background that I can do it. I love my tape. Should have did a bare tree. I don't know which tree I want to do. Let's try these trees. Since they already got a little stamp polish, I'm gonna have to clean it up. You always want to clean these up right after use, otherwise you will get, I didn't pick it up very good. You will get problems. I'm not really in the mood for the tree anyways. I'm just gonna skip the tree. Just not in the tree mood today. Let's try the Yayoge stamper. I haven't tried this before. And it picked up the tree too. I mean, this is just like a background stamping scenario. That's what I tend to do the most of. So I could put the tree on. I don't know if I want the tree on. Oh, decisions. Maybe I just don't like it because it's so big. Let me try a smaller tree. Just a little. See, it picks up great. The stamping polish seems to work great. Never tried theirs before. Well, yeah, I did, I guess. One time. But this is a new bottle. I don't know where my other bottle went to. And you just clean this off. Usually it just comes right up. Give yourself a little washing afterwards. I want some more snow. Snow around my tree. Just nailed it. Reminded me that this plate actually has snow on it. I didn't realize it. I'm gonna do a little different. Get out one of the Yayoge stamping plates for this. This is SPH14. You can find this at yayoge.com. Look at all those snowflakes. You know, those little snowflakes, and I gotta have one. I got a couple extra, but I like that. Put it on where I want it on. I like that. It's a nice subtle look. They also have holographic stamping polishes. They're kind of like a really background color, unless maybe you wear it over black. And I have some SheModern decals. And yes, at times SheModern does send me some for free, and I buy a lot. It's a win-win situation for us both. I really do. I buy a ton of SheModern. Testing to see if it released. Once it releases, I tap it onto that sponge, and I'm just going to give me a little Frosty the Snowman on my nail. Oh, and I forgot to show you, this is now the Holo glitter. They come with 2 different colors on each sheet now, so you can get a wide variety or you can layer them. And here's the Holo regular that I had from last year. So you got a wide variety. SheModern's coming out with so many things. I'm like shocked. Can't really see it because, you know, it's on stamping, it's on, but I can see him. He looking cute. You know what, I wonder if I could actually get some of the blue ones. That probably wouldn't show up though, would it? I was gonna use all Holo. Let's see if this will show up better. I still like my Holo. I gotta wear the Holo. I'm gonna be all hollowed up today. I'm gonna drive my feather babies crazy. Sometimes you have to dry that stamper off first. Let's see. And the blue kind of shows up there. It actually shows up better for you probably than the Holo does. These are so cute. I like them. I really do. This is cool. It's just a subtle look after you get that gorgeous polished color. Wanted another Frosty. Wonder if I put them in front of the tree if you could see them. I don't know. Just pressing the wrinkle out of the little pressure got rid of him. You can't really see it, but I can definitely see it. There's a Frosty that's glittering in front of the tree. Definitely gonna need to give these another try on a solid gel polish. Thinking of adding a few gems to it, but it's so, I have a couple gems sitting out here, but it's so shiny already. Let's do a couple anyways. I won't do, let's start with the nails I want to do the gems on. I'm gonna do a couple gems right here. Right here, just right here. Okay, and right here. Cause it didn't have enough on this thumb, huh? Gotta be quick with your gems if you're using top coat. Show you what I'm doing. I'm just picking them up with my wax tool. Just a little at the cuticle area. You can't really see it, but in real life you can see it. These are clear gems as well. Okay, I'm gonna give these a quick second cure. And really, I just stuck them in there just a second, just so that clear gels you can do that with. Solid gels that are really creams, you cannot do that with most of the time because they will just shrink up and look horrible. Okay, I cured that for 30 seconds. And you can still see the polish through, but you can see the blingies and the stamping and everything. At least in real life you can see it. I need to go give these a wash and cuticle oil up. I've got glitter everywhere. Sorry that y'all can't really see it. Maybe you can see it in the reveal pictures at the end of the video. Well, thank you everyone for being here with me today. I hope you have a great day. Stay warm out there. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.